Variable pulse microcurrent technology.
Wow.
Hi everyone! It's Noelle.
This Pat is Holly.
Today we're gonna like do an unbox video for you guys and see like what's inside and then like the technology behind. When you open this, and then you can see that little gadget right here, which is called the Ageloc Boost. This gadget, you have to use it like after you wash your face. Make sure your face is clean, and then afterwards like you apply toner on your face, and then you're good to go. So the activating treatment is pairing with the Ageloc Boost. So this is like a this activating treatment is basically like tailor-made together with the Ageloc Boost. You just have to like swipe up, and then it's basically on already. So Ageloc Boost is basically targeting like flawless skin, especially like for girls who are aiming to sort of like, I wake up like this, and then you don't have to put on
like this.
You don't have to put on any makeup or stuff, but then like you're ready to go. So like the whole thing is to help you to boost up, to make sure you have like more plumper skin, and then you have like more brighter skin at the same time. You can tell like this face is so much more smaller.
Oh, you're still walling. Can I smile?
You can feel the tension
like the
right
face
there.
Wow. I told you, right?
Yeah, and then you can see like that cheekbone is so much more uplifted, and then it's more obvious as well. This is the first batch, as I said earlier, and then we have only like less than 100 gadgets right now. Anyone are interested to try it out, like please contact us. Like we're more than happy to like let you to have a trial as well.
Yeah.
So if you do have any question or anything, just comment below and let us know. We'll get back to you.
Comment below.
Yes, give us a thumbs up.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.